Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk to you about a service that I am going to provide to you. It's regarding a few classes for the upcoming preliminary exam for the UPSC 2021. That's one thing. And another plan I do have is regarding the Tier 2 of IB/ACIO. So first of all, I will tell you what's my plan regarding the UPSC prelims that is going to happen on October 10th this year. So you all know my background, my experience in teaching in UPSC, and some of my students have cleared PCS exams like that of Arunachal PCS. And you have seen the videos that I have posted in this group that includes my classes also. So what I'm going to plan is a kind of a crash course for history for GS paper 1 as well as for preliminary. It will include around 15 classes. So in those classes, what I'm going to add is I will be adding some of the current affairs as well as international relations, so that around 20 questions out of 100 marks in the prelims will be covered. I mean the 20 questions out of 100. That is the aim. And in it, what I'm going to use is the Google Meet as well as Google Classrooms, as well as apps like the whiteboard, where I can share the screen and take the class by sharing the whiteboard, so you will feel like you are having a live class. For that, what I am going to use is this stylus pen. So with the help of this stylus pen, I will be making diagrams, I will be taking class same way I am using a board. So in this thing, what I am going to do is like the number of students that I can take is maximum 20 students at a stretch, because whatever service I have to provide, it has to be done in a meaningful manner. So I can give students assignments, I can check their answers, and what I'm going to do next is like I will be analyzing the trend of the question paper from at least past 10 years, and based on that I will be coming up with around 70 or 80 questions that have a high amount of probability in asking in this preliminary. That's for history. So this is what I'm going to plan. So for that I need like Google Meet, Google Classrooms, right, and along with this, the materials that I will be taking, the PPT, everything will be shared in the Google Classrooms. So the students, the maximum number of students, as I told you, is 20 students. So if you can actually mail me these things regarding, like, if you are willing to participate, obviously I'll be charging a nominal amount also. And if you feel like it is helpful to you, especially who are beginners, like in the first attempt or second attempt, who feel like they need a little bit more edge in history, you are free to contact me. My email ID is ajaytjoseph@gmail.com, and please mention like which is the thing that you want to attend, and if there are sufficient number of students, because at least 10 students are required for the class, and the maximum I can handle is 20 students. So everything will be handled on first come first served basis. So if you feel like it's a better opportunity for you, please do mail it. We will have a demo class, and then if you are okay with my conditions, you can make the payment. I'll be telling the details there, and then we will go into with the live class. So this is what I have to offer. And if you are particularly interested in IB/ACIO essay, that also you please mention to me. So for essay it will be very less number of classes, but this 15 classes that I have in mind is regarding the prelims that is going to happen on October 10th. So these are my plans. I have demonstrated some videos as well as how the classes are going to happen. So if you are interested in it, please feel free to mail me your queries, and if we are good to go, we will go on with the classes. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you all. See you with a new video.